Hey guys, today we are going to unbox the OnePlus 5T. I have recently received it from Amazon Prime, and as you can see, this is OnePlus 5T black 64GB model with 6GB of RAM. And then here we go. So this is the premium $500 cell phone that you can see here, and let's go to the unboxing of this. And as you can see here, this is the premium set, and here is the cover that we received from the box, and the SIM injector tool, also the manual. And this packaging is very premium, as you can see here. Safety information states, I don't know what the safety they need for, and some stickers, never settle there. And here is the dash cable and the dash charger. Quite a premium one, as you can see. And well, that's it in the box, and let's get to the cell phone now. So this is the cell phone with dual camera and quite a large LED there. And let's open the phone. Powered by Android, and this is the premium matte. There is also an lightning fast fingerprint, and it states that only 2.2 seconds is the time that is required. And let's set up this. Okay, so now I have already started the cell phone, and as you can see, the display is quite premium. Here is the front facing camera and the LED, and on the right side there is a SIM injector and a power button, also the fingerprint scanner here. This is the mute button which slides up and down, and this is the volume keys. And there is a dash charging port, and also the headphone jack is here. And let's go to the cell phone, and let's check the specifications of this. This runs on the Oxygen OS 4.7.0, Android version 7.1.1 Nugget, and this has 6GB RAM and 64GB storage on this. And well, this is Nugget. And let's go to the camera, and as you can see, quite premium. You can also read what is on this transparent page here. So, and there goes the camera. So I have set the passwords and the Face ID. Let's check the Face ID first. As you can see, this is the only smartphone that has the fastest Face ID on the planet. So, and kaboom, this is the Face ID. Let's go again, and boom. And also let's check the here the phone is locked, and here is the fingerprint scanner. Let's go it again, and boom. So this is the fastest phone in the world right now, and pretty cheap. You can buy it, and we are going to do a review on complete using on this, and how you can be fast on the daily use on this, and the camera test, as well as the comparison with some other phones that are on the market right now. and also the gaming test for this. So be tuned and subscribe for if you haven't done it till now. So let's go guys, bye.